Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do you clean cloudy tiles? Add white distilled vinegar to the water if plain water was ineffective. Mix equal parts of vinegar and water in a bucket. Dampen the sponge with the solution and scrub the tiles. Use a bit of force to remove the cloudy haze from the tile. How do you clean shiny floor tiles? Mop tiles using a mild detergent or warm water with chamois-type mop instead of sponges for a better finish and shine after cleaning. Tile flooring is of two types, glazed and unglazed. Glazed tiles have a glossy appearance and thick finish, and using wrong cleaning agents could result in obtuse flooring. How do you remove haze from ceramic tile? It should be easy to clean up tile haze with basic, gentle astringents, such as a drop of mild dishwashing soap in a gallon of warm water or a spray bottle filled with the standard straight vinegar. Vinegar won't leave any residue behind, which some harsher detergents can be known to do on tile. Why does my tile look cloudy? If you recently had new tile installed and you are noticing a filmy, cloudy finish on your tile, there's a good chance this is leftover residue caused by your grout. Grout is made up of minerals and cement. During its application process, it is mixed with water and applied to the tile with a rubber float.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.